Hey everyone, welcome back to another OneClass session. My name is Bassam, I'm an engineering graduate, and today I'm going to be guiding you through some math questions at the high school and the preliminary university level. So let's get started over here. Okay, so the first question we're asked is Harry wants to buy pencils and erasers. Each pencil costs 30 cents and each eraser costs 15 cents. So for a pencil, 30 cents. For an eraser, 15 cents. He wants to buy 30 items altogether with $5.25. So $5.25. That's our total. So I'm just writing some givens down based on the question and the statements given. How many pencils should be purchased if he wants to buy the most possible number of pencils? So we want to purchase the maximum number of pencils. And another important fact that's given, he wants to buy 30 items. So 30 items altogether. So pencils and erasers in total will be 30 items. So we'll say pencils, we'll define pencils as X, and we'll define erasers as Y, just to give the quantity variable for each component. So the pencil is described as X and eraser as Y. So here we can kind of set up some equations. The first being 30, so 30 cents times the number of pencils, so X, plus 15 cents times the number of erasers. So the total cost should be equal to $5.25, which is just 525 cents. So $5.25 is equivalent to 525 cents. Each dollar is 100 cents. Okay, so seeing that we have two variables, the most likely thing that we also have to define is another equation based on the given information. So the other important fact that is given to us is that we want to buy 30 items in total. So we're constrained to 30 items, so the total quantity of X and Y, so total quantity of pencils and erasers is 30. So we can see right away we're given two equations and two unknowns. So now we essentially just have to find the solution for each variable by just using algebra. So we'll start off, we'll rearrange the second equation. So y is equals to 30 minus x. And we'll substitute this into the first equation. So over here, into y over here. So the first equation will then be 30x plus 15 in brackets 30 minus x. And this will be equivalent to 525. The next value that we want to solve is, we want to expand this out, first. So 30x plus, so 15 times 3 is 45, and then we add the 0, so 450. And then 15 times negative x is negative 15x, which gives us, so I'll just double check this over here. So solving for this, we get 525 on the right side. We'll go on one more step, so we'll subtract 30x minus 15x. This gives us 15x. And then 525 subtract 450 is just 75. So knowing this, x equals So 75 divided by 15, so that's 15 plus 15 is 30, plus 2 more 15 is 60, that's 4, so it'll be 5. X will equal 5. So here we know that we can buy 5 pencils. So I believe the question is only asking for pencils. How many pencils should be purchased if he wants to buy the most possible number of pencils? So it looks like this is our answer. We can also solve for the number of erasers. So we buy 5 pencils. That means we can substitute x into this equation here. So 5 plus y equals 30. 30 minus 5 will be equal to 25 erasers. So let's just take a look at this solution provided in a little more detail. So here they start off defining the correct equations. They set y equals to 0 and x equals to 30. So here they're just testing for, let's say we bought 30 pencils, we would get x equal to 17.5. Or sorry, if we, x. Doesn't make sense. In the first equation, second equation becomes. So they substitute 0 for y. So they're saying if they bought 0 erasers, you can only buy a maximum of 17.5. So it seems like let's look at this a little further. So here they substitute in the equation correctly and they get 5. So they kind of did some additional steps that are unnecessary, but they got the right answer at the end. So solution is correct. Unnecessary. Steps taken to get to final answer. Okay, let's get to the next question.